Hello guys, welcome to Ikara Technology. So today we will see classes and objects. What is class? You can understand a class as a blueprint or plan. Like you have a blueprint to build a house. It is written in it that how will be the structure of the house, how many rooms, how many stairs will be there in the house, means stairs and how many pillars for base support. Similarly in programming, a class tells that when we create an object, then what are its properties in which value will be stored and what actions means method will be there. The structure of class is that we give the name of the class by giving access modifier within the class keyword. It is not important to give access modifier. It means if we want we can give name, and here is the class and then the name of the class, then whatever things come inside the bracket are methods, fields, properties, construct, etc. What is an object? You think that you make an actual house using that blueprint. The actual house that you make is called an object. Now, an object is a real instance or copy of the class. Objects have their own unique properties. For example, let's take the example of a car. Like a color of the car, the speed of the car, and the behavior of the car, like moving or stopping. Okay, now here, see how is the structure of the object. To create an object, we first have to define the class name. Class name is whichever class we are creating the object of. The object name like variable such as variable name, identifier, proper object name has to be given. After using equals to, we have to use new keyword so that we can create the object. Then after putting the class name, we have to put the bracket. We can also pass parameter in the bracket if we create a constructor. Now, if we do not create a constructor, it means we are creating an object of that class. Means we cannot pass parameter in it. Then let's see how to access the fields. Object name dot field name means whatever object name we have created. If we use it and put a dot, then we get a suggestion, means an option list comes in which all the properties of the classes are there. Field names comes, method names comes. So after accessing it, we assign value to it. By the way, look below. The way to call a method is object name dot method name. So this was the concept of classes. An object is classic blueprint. An object is a real world example of the blueprint. So here we have created an example of car class. So this example we have copied in our VS Code. Now here you will see, here we have removed some things from below so that you can understand properly. This using system we are using for control write line. Okay, now here the class car is starting here and ending here. Okay, and whatever is there is inside the class. Now here this is specification of a class car, means its color, its speed, and the drive is the action, means what can the car do. So we have given drive method and have created two parameters in it, which we will give here in the main method. Here is the main method which is important for the execution. So here we have created an object of car class for the value which we have to assign. The specification of color and speed means we assign value for the specification of the car. Red and speed 60, color is red. Okay, speed is 60. Now if I want to print this thing in console, then how will I print it? I will take first car drive method. Okay, it is giving error here in drive method. Why is it giving error? Because no argument given the correspondence, means we need arguments in it, so we have to pass arguments in it. So what will I do? First car dot color and then comma, then first car dot speed. Now if I put this, then the value above will come here. Okay, first car dot color. So this is red, and first car dot speed is 60. So the value will be passed here. If you see, if I start it, then see in the output the red car driving speed is 60. Okay, we created this object like this. We gave value to its specification, means we gave value to color and speed. Then call it in drive. Call the drive method and pass the parameter in it, and transfer those values there. Those value got printed in console. The red car driving speed is 60. Okay. Now what do I want? And now look here. If I want to make two car, then I give green here. Not green. I will put blue. Blue is there in the example. Here I put blue, and next comes first car dot color. Color, sorry, speed will come. Speed equals to 200. Now if I print first car dot drive again, control C and control V. Now I want these two things. Okay, both are cars. If I run it and see, then both are not coming. Both are the same car. The same car is coming, means the blue car driving speed is 200. The blue car driving speed is 200. Both are coming the same. If we see here, then we would have done the second one. Our first car did not come. So what do we have to do for this? What do we have to do? We will have to remove first car and drive first, and here to make the second car we will have to create another object of the car class. We have taken car here, then we will give the second car, we give second car, then we give new car. Okay, now we will have to use that object of second car here. Control V, and then we copy it, control C and control V, and here the object of second car is here, control C, control C, control V, control V. So this object of first car we have passed its value in parameters. Here the object of second car we have passed its value in second car dot speed. Now if you see, then both the car will be printed here. So you can see here the red car driving speed 60, and blue car driving speed is 200. Okay, so it got printed here because we had to define properly that we have to make two cars. So we had to make two objects. Like here, this is our first object, then this is the object of second car. Okay, so this is a class car, this is its specification, this is its action, and this is its main method for execution, and this is its object, so that we can call it things and pass value. Okay, so if you see here, then here you can see that this is our plan. Okay, then we are execute it further. For example, when you see a new car, for before making a car, we make a plan that what all is there in the car, what will be its color, what will be its speed, like this. Then when the car is built, then we give it a color, then we check its speed by driving the car. So what are we doing here is our plan, and then for its execution we are using it in the main method here. Okay, when it is executed, we have to make it an object. When we give color to the car, because we have to make it as an object. After making an object, we are assigning values to it. Okay, and here the color and the speed, we are passing it in the drive method here. The drive method taking it as parameter and is passing it in the control right line. So the output that comes is the red car driving speed is 60 and the blue car driving speed is 200, like this. Okay, so this is our plan and this is our execution. Okay, we executed this through our object, assign the value through it. Here this code is properly complete, then its explanation is also there below. You can see properly Here are the tasks which you have to practice for better understanding of class and objects. So today we have seen classes and objects in C Sharp. Thank you.